Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate the Hallmark Movies Now app on your Hisense Smart TV, follow these step-by-step instructions to enjoy heartwarming movies and series. Step 1. Turn on your Hisense Smart TV and press the home button on your remote to access the main menu. Navigate to the App Store or Application Marketplace on your TV. Step 2. Search for Hallmark Movies Now in the App Store search bar. Once you find the app, select it and click Download or Install to add it to your TV. Step 3. After the installation is complete, open the Hallmark Movies Now app from your TV's app list or home screen. You'll be greeted with a welcome screen and sign-in options. Step 4. Select Sign In or activate your device from the app's main menu. An activation code will appear on your TV screen, usually consisting of 6 to 8 characters. Step 5. Using a computer, smartphone, or tablet, open a web browser and visit the Hallmark Movies Now activation website. The exact URL will be displayed on your TV screen alongside the activation code. Step 6. Log into your Hallmark Movies Now account using your email address and password. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one and choose a subscription plan. Step 7. Enter the activation code from your TV screen into the designated field on the activation website. Make sure to type it exactly as shown, then click Activate or Submit. Step 8. Return to your Hisense TV and wait a few moments. The app should automatically refresh and display your account details, confirming successful activation. You can now browse and watch Hallmark content on your TV. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.